Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today is the second Tuesday for the month of March 2025, and that means it is Patch Tuesday or Security Update Tuesday. And so on Windows 10, you had a, of course, update. I've applied it a little earlier today. If you go and check it out, if you don't, it will, of course, install automatically. So if I look at my update history, you should have, if you've installed or if you're about to install, a update which is KB5053606. And this, of course, for Windows 10 22H2. It fixes a certain number of security flaws. So this is, of course, going to be looked at in detail in a specific video where we're going to look at all of the flaws of every machine or every Windows version. And if you are up to date, you will have seen your version number with WinVer that is moving up to 19.045.5608. So 19.045.5608, and this is, of course, the security updates for the month of March. We'll be looking into details of how many security updates are in here this month. And, of course, if you haven't installed the bug fixing updates for the month of February, they will be installing at the same time today with your Patch Tuesday updates. So I hope everything's well. This machine, which is an old machine, took about, I'd say from the download to the install process and restart, approximately 20 minutes and 25 minutes max, and was back and everything went flawlessly. Hopefully it's the same for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.